Hello, it's Zetsubu here, and I'm gonna be a gaming channel. I pretty much just will game anything. I don't really care what it is, just as long as it's a game. I'm very experienced with gaming. I pretty much have been a gamer all my life. I'm 17, but yeah, I'm pretty much just a gamer. Anyways, I'm doing a video on my iPhone right now because I don't have my computer or fuck. I don't have my HD PVR hooked up, but when I do, I'm going to Calgary in about 2 days. I don't know why I'm estimating like that, but oh well. But I'm going to Calgary and I'm going to see my dad. We're gonna do cool stuff, all that kind of stuff. And I'm getting a computer when I go there, so on my way back, yeah, hopefully I can record some nice videos. And yeah, my first game I'll do is Geometry. Oh my god, it's sideways. Can't play this. We can't do it. We can't. Just go Windows. Fuck. Well, anyways. Oh, we gotta go free games because I don't got any money. Broke. Probably because I don't got a job, but still. Hopefully I'll get a job and then well, I can buy games, but still. Um, Toilet time, any games to play? Let's see. I gotta hurry up before you guys get bored. Do Chicken Run. I've never played this, but we'll do the Touch ID. There we go. And while we're waiting for that to download, I guess I can view my Clash of Clans. Ding, 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 ding. I hardly play this game. Well, I got it like a couple days ago, and I don't like it at all. Like, I'm only playing it because all my cousins and all that are all like, play it, play it, play it. But yeah, here's my Clash of Clans map thingy. It's not the greatest. Sorry for my sniffles, by the way. It's pretty bad. And I guess we could view my Bloons Tower Defense. This in Clash of Clans is like the only game I actually play and keep saved on my phone. Ooh. But yeah, I got a lot of these things pro. Um, I got all my towers fully upgraded. Let's see. Well, I got this as my special ability because you start off with a free tower. It's pretty awesome. Here's all my thingy moo boobers. I don't know. It should be done by now. But let's do this. And it is not done. What the hell? It's not even. Come on. There we go. That took a lot longer than it should have. Jesus. Poulet position would like to. Sure, why not? Chicken Run. Only one player. Okay. I gotta create one. Does this really matter? I'll put my actual birthday for you guys, even though. Jesus, this is terrible. I'll do blue. The hell is Chicken Run? Oh, it's one of these games. Ooh. Even slows you down. And then you just speed back up. We'll go 90 kilometers per hour. Turbo mode on. I don't want to hit those. Let's just slow you down. What if I hit that? Okay. Yeah. What if I hit that? Nope. Damn. Alright, let's do this. We gon' succeed. I really didn't want to hit that. This is fairly easy. I gotta make it to the city, I think it said. These like roads just curve all by themselves. It's pretty intense. Oh shit. What the hell? I'm almost at that 5K. Not really 5K, but still. Ooh, an egg. Collect the mystery egg during the race to get bonuses. Oh. I get cookies. Yay! Stars, power. Okay. You still need 9,341 kilometers to reach Montreal. Damn. Kujuan. Oh, it was Kuujjuaq. Kuujjuaq. I guess I'm starting in Ottawa. Upgrades. Sticky tires. Built-in Robotics secret lab. These tires are made of bread and honey for super adhesants. Plus, they give you a 200 kilometers head start. Okay, let's do this. Oh, this one's locked. Let's do pink. Oh, I wanted to use that. I didn't tap fast enough, though. Turbo. I'm tired. It's like 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. No clue why I'm tired. I usually stay up till like 7 in the morning. But yeah, this is a first. Oh. Well then. No, my beatboxing is terrible. You guys can probably hear me because this recording software I'm using is really fucking terrible. I can't buy it, or I can't get any new ones or any better ones because yeah, I'm shit and I can't buy anything. I can't afford it. So this is the best bet. Okay. Yeah, this is the best they're gonna get from me. For now, anyways. I will put up better and more high quality and stuff like that. But yeah. Oh. But yeah, I'm sorry. If this is that bad, oh my god. Okay, well, we're gonna have to end this here because if it's too long, I won't be able to post it on YouTube. So yeah, peace.